Now this is something very crucial. We are going to ask one single question to all top 17. This one single question will have 17 different answers. These 17 different answers to same question will define what they are, how they are, and why they should be winner.
Alright, so the contestants are ready.
I don't know if you guys are nervous to answer questions. We guys are nervous to ask you questions actually. Anyway, let's get this clear. The question is common to all of you, okay? But of course, the answer, what answer you give, what do you choose to give as the answer, and in the way you answer it is what is going to matter. So the question for you is, according to each of you, every individual, which according to you would you think is a burning global problem right now? I'm not asking you to restrict it to Delhi or Chennai or any country or any continent for that matter. Globally, which according to each one of you is a burning issue which needs to be addressed, and what is your stand on it, okay? And how you as an individual, as an individual, not as a common individual, you as a gorgeous, confident, married lady, also a mother of children, whatever. What is your role in it? How do you think you can make a difference in society for the same?
So we have 3 minutes and there's a stopwatch there. So they're going to be proving us they're just not beauties but they got brains tonight, right? Looks like all of them are pretty spontaneous. As soon as he just opened up that question, everybody just went on writing. Wow. They have all answers in place. So your time's running. Alright, already we have a contestant who's done. Alright, so time's up. 3 minutes dot.
It's the health issue which I feel, which is globally taking off.
Whenever I watch the news on YouTube or whenever I get time, Latur situation, which is a very critical position right now. I hope everyone knows that many farmers are dying, many operations are postponed.
According to me, today is terrorism.
I think is that very rightly put by my co-contestant is education.
According to me, water and plants.
The burning issue of today's world is the global warming.
Lack of emotional bonding. In today's lifestyle has taken over the bondage that people used to share.
I feel the issue is poverty.
According to me, it is pollution, which is causing global warming.
According to me, global warming, one of the most upcoming problem in world, I as individual will take a step forward in planting as many trees as I can, and even we can distribute plants like tulsi once we meet and greet each other.
She's telling the burning issue is water, and the decrease the quantity of water is due to high-rise buildings and cutting of plants and trees.
The main reason for global warming is deforestation, burning of plastic and tires,
uneven distribution of the resources of basic needs like food, clothing and shelter.
The global issue that currently the world is facing are the borders. I know it is impossible to take off the borders, but if we talk about the resources are evenly distributed in a mother planet. But because of borders, it's not evenly distributed among the human beings, among the animals.
Climate change, global warming.
Caste, creed, religion issue has created the division and diversion in all over the world. As a beauty queen, I would like to spread the message to the world that there is only one caste, one religion.
मुझे लगता है कि हमारा जो भी इशू है वो है immature relations.